Cool. So my name is Ascander Dost. I am a lead software engineer at Salesforce IQ. Yeah, so I actually came into Scala from NLP and computational linguistics first. So I specialized in that, did a lot of data science work, and then ended up having to learn Scala for a job, and realized that I loved it. It was great. It really let me get to writing code to do what I wanted instead of writing code to basically satisfy a bunch of boilerplate conditions. And so it was super expressive, and I kind of took to it right away. And with tools like Spark and some of the machine learning libraries that are out there, it just makes it really, really easy and really, really fast to get up and running doing the sorts of things that I like to do. It's a really good question. So I don't know that there is an ideal stack. I think it depends on what kind of problem you're trying to solve. So for the kinds of problems that I'm trying to solve these days, I think my ideal stack definitely involves Scala, Spark, S3 has been working out great for us, Cassandra for a database, some kind of job scheduler. So the schedulers that are out there right now, I haven't found one that I really, really like. We've been using Azkaban, and it's okay, but it's not great. And for sure, some kind of notebooking functionality. We've also been pretty heavy users of Databricks at Salesforce IQ, and Databricks has been awesome for us. It's been really great. So that's my dream stack, minus the scheduler, which I don't know what my dream scheduler would be. Probably something custom that works specifically for us, but we have not found that part yet. So our actual stack does use Spark, Scala, Cassandra, S3, and Databricks for notebooking. I would love to be able to use core NLP, but the licensing kind of makes it difficult for us to use at Salesforce. And so, yeah, that's my answer to that. There's actually a lot going on at Salesforce right now. And so I've got a bunch of colleagues that are giving really interesting talks, and day to day, it's really sometimes hard to kind of keep tabs on what they're doing and follow up with them. And so I'm definitely excited to see their talks, to see what they've been working on, because they're trying to solve a lot of problems that are very close to the sorts of problems that we're trying to solve. And so it's always interesting to get somebody else's perspective. There's also a couple of talks from people that I just recognize from reading blog posts and looking at playbooks and stuff like that. It's just really impressive how many of what I consider to be heavy hitters in the Scala community giving talks here. And so I'm oh, so-and-so is giving a talk here. I definitely want to go and check that out. I might not get it, but I just want to be exposed to it.